In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a LinkedIn node to your n8n workflow and securely link your LinkedIn account so you can start automating tasks like posting updates, fetching profile data, or managing company activity within your automations. Start with your n8n editor open and your workflow on the canvas. On the right-hand side of the interface, look for the plus icon. This is your entry point for adding new nodes to the workflow. Click the plus icon to open the node selector. You'll see a search bar at the top. This is the quickest way to find what you need. In the search field, type LinkedIn. As you type, n8n filters the available options to show the LinkedIn-related nodes. Depending on your version and installed integrations, you may see multiple LinkedIn nodes tailored for different actions. This is normal, and it helps you pick the one that best matches your goal, whether that's creating a post, retrieving data, or another LinkedIn task. If nothing appears, double-check your spelling and make sure you're searching in the node list, not the workflow canvas. Next, click the LinkedIn node you want to use. The moment you select it, n8n automatically adds the node to your workflow and opens its configuration panel. This panel is where you choose the operation you want and, importantly, where you connect your LinkedIn account so the node can run with the right permissions. Inside the configuration panel, look for the option to connect to LinkedIn. Click the Connect button. This triggers a secure sign-in and authorization process handled by LinkedIn. A browser window or in-app pop-up will prompt you to log into your LinkedIn account if you're not already signed in. Follow the on-screen instructions and approve the requested access so n8n can interact with LinkedIn on your behalf. This uses industry-standard authorization so your password isn't stored in n8n and you remain in control of what the integration can do. When authorization completes, you'll be returned to n8n and the LinkedIn account will show as connected in the node's configuration. From here, you can continue setting the node's options and build out the rest of your workflow with confidence, knowing the connection is active. If you don't immediately see LinkedIn nodes in search, try clearing the search and retyping.